All right, fellow travelers and riders, we're gonna go on Nighthawk. So this is a flying coaster. They start you out on your back. So you're basically on your back facing the sky on the way up. It does like a little flip, faces you down towards the ground and then up and around. And it looks like you hit these loops and you go backwards down this hill on your back. I've never done that. Yeah. Hopefully I'll be okay. It's like one of a kind. So definitely an interesting addition here. We'll bring you on board, point of view for the ride, and let's go get in line. The sun is already up. It's gonna be a scorcher today, and we'll let these nice people out, and then we'll see you when we get on the coaster.
Stop. You'll hear a click. Once you do that click, you can unbuckle your vest, exit to the right, and enjoy the rest of the day here at Carowinds. Stand directly to opening. Walk through, doors will be closing in 3, 2, 1. Once you get to the seat, open your left and your left only. Do not do that any phone for the lead or anything that you're after that baby.
Round 2 on the Hawk. So this used to be the Borg assimilator, I'm hearing. And Paramount themed then, Star Trek related. So shout out to Becky the Trekkie's got that Star Trek channel. Oh, absolutely, whatever we need. Thank you, team.
Do you have a strap on your glasses?
I do indeed. Perfect service. Outstanding staff, though. I have to say the staff has been outstanding.
Yeah.
Everyone has been friendly and honest. They don't really hassle you for upcharges or anything. Just had the one girl ask the one time about a cup. And, you know, it's been great as far as that goes. So, A+ to the staff. The bins are nice. They don't have them on Fury or Copperhead Strike. You got to put everything in the locker for there. Everything else has the bin. We recommend if it's one train, you're good to go, you know, with the single bin ride. If there are multiple trains, don't put anything like super valuable. We haven't lost anything or anything like that, but you know, it could happen when there's like a bunch of random people just mixing and matching. Stuff looks similar, that sort of thing. So right now we're on our back, and
If you're ready to ride, make some noise.
yay! And so it's a head down on your back situation.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Just hold on for dear life, everybody. This is gonna be rough. Prepare yourself, Becky.
Oh god.
We're on it right now.
My worst nightmare.
Here we go.
You'll be able to get on with all the other ones, not this one, Intimidator. You can do Cyclone with her. I know you say you don't want to ride it, but she never gets it done. Ride it if you want.
Roll to the right. Oh, right now we're heads down, backwards.
Oh my goodness.
We're spinning. I got a minor spin, but my stomach is really the main concern. I'm okay, but the longer I'm in this position, the worse it is. So I'm ready to get out.
It's totally
You can let me out anytime. Yeah, go ahead. Just lean me right back up. I'm ready to be leaned up. There it is. Oh, it's nice and jerky, just for extra measure. Woo! Okay, let me get my gravitational bearings.
Are we upright? I feel like
Oh, awesome. I had a way better ride this time, though, I will admit.
Alright guys, so moving on, you'll have 5 seconds to walk through.
Awesome ride.
We'll check.
Grab.
Put it in the back.
Excuse us. Okay. All right, everybody, just coming off of Nighthawk flying coaster. What'd you think, Becky?
Holy moly, never been on anything like that before. I gotta say, anything backwards was really rough. I don't know, the whole head pressure there with the loops and that twist and turn section at the end was just, oh my gosh.
I'm gonna say I had a great ride. I mean, the pressure when you're going backwards and then into the loop and it puts your head down, that's like unlike anything else. It's always got a little bit of a line, so we'd say if you get here early, jump on this first. If you get in an hour early to the park, do that. We might do that again. I couldn't ride this thing back to back though, I gotta say, there's no way. It's a really intense, there's a lot of G-forces. You can't really see where you're at, it flips you. You know, you're on your back, part of it. I've never like really experienced that a whole lot other than Superman ride. And, but all in all, it's very memorable. I'm glad I rode it. It's a great ride. Definitely get on it. Don't eat a lot before you get on it if you have trouble going backwards and a lot of flips, because it's got all that going on. But I gotta say, it was a great one. Thanks for joining us. If you're new, consider subscribing. We'll have new videos out. If you're a loyal subscriber, big shout out to you. Thank you. We appreciate you. And we will see you all soon on the next ride and review. Bye, everybody.